What's good, guys? Mikel Bennett, aka the Credit Bull. So I had to stop in the middle of moving really quick, right? Because my team was hitting me up. Hey, did you check the results? Did you check the results? So I checked one of my clients' results. In 30 days, he had all of the collections, all of the charge-offs and derogatories removed from his credit report. He already had low inquiries. So that means that he is funding ready, right? So I'm gonna pass him back to the person who referred him to me. Now he's gonna take him and go ahead and get funded, right? And I'm gonna actually show you the results really quick so you know that it's not cap. All right, so this client got started the 20th of September. So it says 9/19 is when they pulled the report. We sent out our first disputes on 9/19. I'm not scrolling down just to protect the client's privacy. And then you can see here we did our update on 10/24, which was about a week ago. So that would have been about a good month, right? So a good month and 4 days. So here are the results. So when we first got started with our client, this is the first report. He was at a 723, 716, 731. And then he also had 3 derogatories, 2 derogatories, 1. He also had 3 collections, 2 collections, none. Okay? Now I'm going to go to the updated credit report. So the update is his score has gone up 65 points on TransUnion, 54 points on Experian, and 38 points on Equifax. But the best part about it is all of his collections and derogatory remarks are all going off of his credit report, which now means he's ready to go get funded. And that was his goal when he got started with me. So if you're seeing this and you want to fix up your credit or get negative items removed, you got 3 options right now from me. First option is we can do it for you. You can come click the link in my bio and you can see that, click and get a free credit assessment and we can do your credit for you. Second thing is you can learn how to do this shit all by yourself with my course. You can literally learn it for $97, right? Or if you want to really learn how to do it and go behind the scenes and learn how to do it for yourself, friends, and maybe even start a business out of it, then you're going to want to join my mentorship that's going to be launching November 9th. I'll see you guys, whichever option you decide to choose. Doesn't matter to me. Let's just get your credit right. Mikel Bennett signing out. I've been having a lot of time to post a lot, but I'm still getting results. People are still super happy, and I want you to get involved and get you some results, right? Get you super happy. So go ahead, click one of them links in my bio, and I'm gonna see you at the top, not from the top.